In this video we will see the result of mounting pumps in parallel or in series. In an installation it is necessary to choose the pump model that provides us with the necessary flow and pressure. If this is not possible due to costs or design requirements, we can combine the same pumps to achieve more pressure or flow. If what we need is to obtain more flow, we can mount pumps in parallel. Without resistance we would be able to double the flow. We must see the pressure offered by the pump and the resistance we have in the installation, such as filters, curves, valves. If there is a lot of resistance, the flow may not be increased. On the other hand, if what we want is to increase the pressure of the pump in order to have a flow at a certain height, we must mount the pumps in series. Mounting the pumps in series will double the pressure in the installation. In this way we can push the fluid higher.
GESPASA, Fluid Technology.